Mate 20 Pro launch live, Huawei reveals huge P20 Pro rival. Huawei Mate 20 Pro has been unveiled today, and the new device launches a huge challenge to the P20 Pro by packing in the latest and greatest technology from the Chinese manufacturer. Update 17. Huawei has announced pricing and availability for the score of products it announced during its London keynote this afternoon. The Huawei Mate 20 will come in at €799 for the 128GB storage model with 4GB of RAM. However, the second variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of memory will retail for €849. Both will be available from today. Huawei Mate 20 Pro will come in at €1,049 and will have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of memory. The new flagship from the Chinese firm will be available from today. Huawei Mate 20X will be priced at €899 and will have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The colossal device will be sold from October 26. The Huawei Mate 20Rs will start at €1,695 for the model with 8GB of RAM with 256GB of memory, but can be expanded to 8GB of RAM and 512GB of memory for €2,095. Huawei Watch GT will come in a sport version that is priced at €199 and a classic variant for €249. Huawei Band 3 Pro comes in at €99. Update 16. Huawei Band 3 Pro has been announced by the Chinese firm that aims to deliver similar fitness tracking to the Watch GT in a wristband-like format. The product appears to be launching a direct challenge to Fitbit. Huawei Band 3 Pro will deliver up to 7 hours of battery life on a single charge, the company claimed. Update 15. The Huawei Watch GT has been announced by the Chinese tech firm. The new wearable is capable of delivering 2 weeks of usage on a single charge, according to Huawei. Huawei Watch GT is able to track fitness activities that range from outdoor running to swimming. Owners can also track hiking using the hardware's altimeter. Huawei Watch GT is also capable of tracking the sleep patterns of users. Update 14. Huawei has announced the Mate 20X. The new smartphone comes with a colossal 7.2-inch OLED display at a 1080p resolution. Huawei appears to be aiming the smartphone at productivity. That is because the hardware supports the Huawei M Pen, that is a stylus. The Chinese firm declared the accessory can detect 4036 levels of pressure to make drawing and taking notes more convenient. A huge 5,000 mAh battery is housed inside the device that Huawei claims is capable of delivering up to 23 hours of video playback. Huawei Mate 20X comes with a vapor cooling chamber the firm insists will keep it cool during intense usage. A super bass stereo system is present on the hardware that supports Dolby Atmos. Update 13. Huawei has announced the Porsche-designed Mate 20Rs. The product comes with a unique look that stands out from the regular Mate 20 Pro. However, the device does feature a triple-lens camera system. Although the specifications of the product were not detailed, it is assumed the hardware is a more luxury version of the Mate 20 Pro. The rear panel is made from a combination of leather and glass. Huawei claims represents a racing stripe. Update 12. Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with a unique speaker system. That is because the bottom of the device does not feature a traditional speaker. Instead, sound will play from the USB-C port, according to the Chinese tech giant. Huawei insisted the Mate 20 Pro will provide excellent audio performance. Update 11. Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes pre-installed with Android 9 Pie. That means the litany of new features on the Google operating system are available straight out of the box. Google announced Android 9 Pie back in August, initially the software only released on Pixel hardware and the Essential phone. Update 10, HUAWEI is emphasizing its new privacy functionality in EMUI 9. The company showed off a feature dubbed App Lock that allows certain apps to be only accessible if either the user's face or fingerprint is scanned. HUAWEI also showed off a new mode called 3D Modeling Calorie Calculation that allows owners to track calorie estimates by using the camera application on foods. The Chinese tech giant showed off a demonstration of the Mate 20 Pro counting calories simply by using the sensors on the hardware's rear. Update 9, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with the firm's new EMUI 9 software over Android 9 Pie. The tech giant showed off the new look of its software at its London keynote. HUAWEI was keen to show off the new gesture navigations present in the user interface. Such a feature means the standard Android home, back and multitasking buttons are no longer needed. Update 8, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with a 3D depth sensing camera system on its front that allows for face unlocking. The Chinese firm claims the Android device can be accessed within 0.6 seconds. The front-facing camera is 24 megapixels and HUAWEI claims selfies should be much improved, especially in low-light conditions. Update 7, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with an underwater mode for its camera the Chinese firm claims will optimize shots taken when the phone has been dunked into liquid. The device also comes with an AI color mode that is able to retain color on a subject and make the background of the shot black and white. Update 6, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro arrives with an ultra-wide camera sensor. The new flagship from the Chinese tech giant comes with a 40-megapixel main, 20-megapixel ultra-wide and an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor. And the company has insisted the main sensor on the Mate 20 Pro is the largest it has ever produced. The wide-angle sensor should allow for incredibly unique photos to be snapped. The Mate 20 Pro also comes with a 3x optical zoom, just like the P20 Pro. Update 5, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with a 4,200 mAh battery that should easily deliver all-day battery life. Moreover, the tech firm announced its new lightning speed charging method that promises to deliver 70% of battery life in a 30-minute charge. HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro supports wireless charging and is also capable of giving juice to other devices that sit on its rear panel. That means another smartphone can be charged using the new Mate 20 Pro. Update 4, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with the firm's new Kirin 980 processor. And the Chinese firm claims the chipset is capable of providing up to 51% faster launch times for owners. The processor should deliver blisteringly quick speeds across Android. Update 3, HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro comes with a fingerprint reader underneath the device's display that will allow for futuristic unlocking. Such a design decision echoes that of OnePlus that has already confirmed its forthcoming 6T flagship will feature an in-screen scanner. HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro will arrive in emerald green, midnight blue, black, pink gold and twilight colors. Update 2, HUAWEI has officially announced the Mate 20 Pro. As leaks suggested, the device comes with a triple-lens camera system similar to the P20 Pro. The device comes with a curved 6.39-inch OLED display that comes in at a 1440p resolution. Update 1, HUAWEI's Mate 20 Pro press conference will begin in 15 minutes. The Mate 20 Pro is expected to replace the HUAWEI P20 Pro as the Chinese firm's leading flagship smartphone. Original story: Mate 20 Pro is the latest Android flagship from HUAWEI and it will come packing a brand new processor set to offer blisteringly fast performance across Google's Android operating system. HUAWEI has already confirmed its Kirin 980 chipset will power the device and has heavily hinted artificial intelligence will play a big role in the new smartphone. Promoting its scheduled hardware event taking place in London today, the firm has repeatedly used the slogan "A higher intelligence is coming" with the letters A and I highlighted. The P20 Pro launched with the Kirin 970 processor that offered very capable performance, but it appears Huawei is determined to take things to the next level. But ahead of the Mate 20 Pro's debut, the hardware appears to have been plagued by a number of leaks that may have outed its best features. WinFuture recently posted alleged renders of the hardware that showed it sporting a triple lens camera system similar to the P20 Pro. However, unlike its predecessor, the Mate 20 Pro placed its modules in the center of its rear glass panel. Such a design choice appears to have been heavily hinted by Huawei ahead of its hardware showcase. A recent teaser video from the firm showed a shape incredibly similar to the camera housing shown off in the recent renders, and the words "This is Mate" were displayed. Moreover, the publication declared the Android flagship will arrive with a 6.39-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3120x1440 pixels. And it added a 4,200 mAh battery would sit inside the device that could offer all-day life with ease. The Mate 20 Pro will also ship with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera that will allow for face unlocking functionality, WinFuture added. Most notably, however, it appears the Mate 20 Pro could feature wireless charging functionality that will allow it to not only receive power from a pad, but to also dish it out via its rear glass panel. WinFuture claimed a wireless pair of headphones will launch alongside the Mate 20 Pro that will be called the Huawei FreeBuds 2 that will come in a charging case similar to Apple's AirPods. However, a render appeared to show the headphones being charged while sitting on the Mate 20 Pro's rear panel. It appears the Mate 20 Pro could also follow tradition by launching in a color similar to the hugely popular twilight finish that debuted on the P20 Pro, renders showed. Finally, WinFuture declared the Mate 20 Pro will cost €999, £876.38, for a version with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. However, no details mentioned in recent leaks have been confirmed by Huawei. But the company will surely reveal all later on today.